Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'm going to show you a new project, so stay tuned. I'll show you how to do a nice collar for a turtleneck, and for that I'll use Lana Teramo. So this is 40% wool, 32% polyester, 18% acrylic, and 10% alpaca. And it is 50 grams per 120 meters. So this is my second spool, and this collar starts from the top, and I have here the 6mm needle, so 80 stitches total. As you can see, I did rounds today, changing 2 knit stitches after 2 purl stitches, so that's the base pattern that we're doing here. Here is my round beginning with 1 purl stitch and then 2 knit, 2 purl like that, till you reach the end where you do again just 1 purl stitch. So this is the outer side and the inside is like this. And when I roll it up, you see the not so pretty starting row on the outside. So that's why I turn my work. Take the inside out, and when I finish and fold my work, then as a result I get this pretty side on the outer side. A round starts with knit stitches, and now after each 10th stitch I'll do a mark, so make sure to do that as well. In my case, I wanted to try out my new little marking rings so that I can add a new stitch after every 10th stitch. So with 18 stitches total, it's going to be 8 additions per round. So that we don't have a hole in this spot, I'll take the yarn over the needle and start with a knit stitch. Four and 5, 7, 8, and 10. Now here we would mark, but since I would like to add on my knit stitches, I will keep going. So 1, 2, now mark here and then continue. 3, 4, 7, 8, and 10. And now we are at the knit stitch. Then again count 10. 7, 10, and again 2 more to the knit stitch and mark. 5, 10, 5, 10, and again 2 more and mark. 5, 10, and mark. Feel free to use whatever markers you have at home. 1, 2, 5, 10, 3, 4, 9, and 10, and you see that we are starting our round here. So at the beginning I did here yarn over the needle, and now I'm doing the same. The yarn over moves to this side now, and that's how we don't have any holes in this section. We are again adding 1 stitch at each mark. First stitch and knit stitch, then the left needle from under through here. And knitwise again. That's why we always have marks, so that we always do additions in the same spot. Now, if you want to mark before or after the addition, it's up to you. The only thing that's important is that you stay consistent and always do them the same way. And I'll do 1 round without additions, then 1 with additions, and then 1 more without and 1 more with. And I will basically just keep repeating these 2 steps, so with and without, until I have here in this section 6 knit stitches. I also forgot to tell you, you begin additions after 22 centimeters of regular work. And now I did 1 more addition, so I have 4 knit stitches, and when I do the back row without the additions, So 2 knit stitches and 1 purl stitch. So where we had the additions, so now we do 2 knit stitches and the addition we do in the purl stitch. We are again here at the addition, so 2 knit stitches, 1 purl, so knit and 1 purl, and in the row where you do additions, instead of the purl goes the addition. And now we are almost at the end of this round without additions. I'll show you a bit more. So one more time slowly, the 2 knit stitches and then the purl. So following this round, we do 1 more without any additions. And then the following addition goes with the knit stitches.